Traders, it's Friday. We've made it. Friday, the 12th of January to be exact. And we are going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades. And we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Let's do this. So let's start with yesterday's trades, guys. And we were looking at euro yen, all right? Because it was clearly in an uptrend, and it had broken this really important resistance level with this nice big bullish green candle here. That green candle is more bullish than Bully from Bullseye. Check him out. Yeah, so we were looking to buy it, guys. The only problem here is we needed a retrace. We needed a retrace down to this level here before we started buying. Okay, and we just didn't get that. If we look at the H4, guys, the news helped this, yeah. All the American CPI and employment data helped this to push lower, but it still didn't come back down to our area of support. So we didn't have a trade, guys. Same with pound yen. If we take a quick look at that, exactly the same story. Start with the day chart. You know, it's almost an identical chart, really, guys. Yeah, it was in an uptrend. Yeah, nice big bullish candle. Wanted a retrace before we come back up. And again, guys, yeah, we just didn't get a retrace, really. If we drop down to the H4, yeah, price just stuttered, really. You know, just look at that. That's like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. 32 hours of nothing. All right, so that's just untradeable, guys. And again, didn't have a trade with pound yen. Just one of them days, guys. I think the market was waiting for the big news to come out, and then it all went batshit crazy. But until that point, not too many moves. And then euro pound. This was an interesting one because, well, first of all, let's understand what we were looking for. So we were looking to sell euro pound. All right, so price had come up, comes storming back down because it broke this important level, this level through here. Once this level broke, you know, I was looking for sells. It's used, you know, what was once support becomes resistance. How many times do we see that? And you can see the market is storming down now. This will be a trade idea for today. Look at this big bearish candle. But if we drop down, let's drop down to the H1 so you can really see the craziness of this price action. So at this point, when it broke this level, price was coming down nicely. But we know there's a level through here as well, you know, and then price was just doing this, and then news come out, and then it's just, you know, craziness. And to be honest with you guys, after the news, I just stopped trading for the day. Yeah, it's such a volatile reaction across all pairs. You know, it wasn't just US dollar pairs on that US CPI and employment data. You know, and it just went a bit crazy. In hindsight, I mean, look at these nice wicks at the top here. Yeah, there could have been some good entries up here to take price down to here. And the fact that it's actually broken this level now suggests it wants to come lower. But again, guys, no trade. Price action before the news was difficult to trade. And then when the news come out, look at that, you know, tricky. So yeah, no trade today. Yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap and you enjoy receiving my trade ideas every day, then please come subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. Yeah, so smash that subscribe button, guys. Also smash the notification button. And if everyone could please smash the like button. It really helps support the vid. Shukran, Dankeschön, grazie. Right, trades for Friday the 12th of January, guys. Before I start, let me just mention a few things. So first of all, we've got the trading community. Yeah, it's free to join. We've got the free Discord channel, so come join that and enjoy like-minded traders. Next, guys, we do have the VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. And I also, more importantly, you have access to the Trading Academy, which is full of tutorials which will help improve your trading. All right, guys, so check that out. Also, we've got the mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. If you're interested in that, drop us an email and we'll send you the details. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got supporter and gold membership, and the perks: you get early access to videos, you get tutorials each week. And I think it starts at $2 or something, guys. So check that out. Become a Simply Forex YouTube member. All right, trades for Friday the 12th, guys. Also, before I start, me and the editor were chatting, and we would like to know where you're all from. Yeah, we asked this question yesterday, and we'll ask it for one more day. But where are you all from, guys? Yeah, we'd like to know what part of the world, which city you're from. Even give us an interesting fact about your city. Yeah, we look forward to your replies. Right, trades for today. Before we do, actually, guys, we are going to look at the US dollar aftermath. Okay, so we had CPI data come out yesterday, yeah, and the news was fantastic. Yeah, and there was CPI and employment data, and it was all better than expected for the US dollar. All right, and we're going to show you how and why you shouldn't trade the news immediately. Right, so this is a perfect example, and shout out to Skelts on the VIP Discord, because he was interested in this, but this is the importance of waiting for the market to settle, right? So let's go back in time. Okay, this is US dollar, Canadian dollar. This is the H4 chart, right? And news comes out. Look at that reaction. Yeah. It's just, bang, bang, bang. News comes out. We're breaking these highs. Everyone's like, Tom, let's buy this. Yeah, we've broken these daily highs. Let's get a retrace and we start buying this, right? And it's hard to argue that logic on the H4. Yeah, but this is literally just when the news comes out, right? For me, we have a news strategy in the VIP Discord, but I won't trade the news normally unless it's NFPs, right? So let the news come out, let the market settle, because for the next 8 hours, yeah, look what the market does. Yeah, it comes crashing back down. And how does that look on the day chart? Okay, so this is again why we should wait for the daily candle to finish, right? So that's how it looks on the H4. Now, if you go back to the day chart, yeah, what on the H4 was looking like a good buy opportunity. Now we look at the day chart. This is even potentially a selling opportunity. We are still in this downtrend, yeah, and now we've got this big rejection wick that closed back below these highs. Yeah, so this is potentially a selling trade. So in a very short space of time, what looked like a very good buying opportunity on the back of CPI data has quickly become, on the day chart, a selling opportunity, really. Not that I would be selling this today. There's just too much indecision here. But wait for that daily candle to finish, guys, all right? And then you can make a more informed decision, wake up in the morning and reassess, the damage of the CPI. All right, guys. So, yeah, CPI aftermath, really interesting example here. Just wanted to show you that. Right, to my trade ideas, I hear you crying. So we've got 2 trade ideas for today. And the first one is this. We are looking at Euro Canadian dollar. I know I've been prattling on about Euro Canadian dollar for some time, and it just hasn't collapsed yet. All right, but still at a very nice level. We still have a nice rejection wick. So if we look at Euro Canadian dollar, this is the day chart, guys. This is my first trade idea. So price is coming down. We are in a downtrend, right? And then it becomes a range. All right, so we're just ranging between here and here. But if it's a downtrend stroke range, then we are interested in sells from the top of the range. Yeah, makes sense. Now, if we drop down, and sorry, guys, and also, yeah, we've got a nice rejection wick, literally right at these highs here. Okay, so yeah, again, potentially a good trade. Obviously, we need certain things to happen. So let's drop down to the H4. And you can see why this hasn't broken down yet. It's this channel, guys. I mean, and H4 structure. H4 structure at no point broke down. All right. And we have this channel. Because if you follow H4 structure, yeah, got a little bit volatile in here, but never broke down. And we are still firmly in a H4 uptrend. Okay, so that's what we're seeing on the H4. So what do we want to see? So there's this level through here, yeah, where price has reacted here, 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 here. All right, so first of all, we need a breakdown of this level. Okay, so let's say price comes down to here, but we've broken this level, which is good, but we're still not really interested until we break this channel. So let's say price comes back up and then breaks down here. In this area, I'm interested, guys, in selling this pair. Okay, so we need a breakdown of this gray zone and this blue channel trend line. And then we're looking for sells potentially back down to here, guys. All right, so that's what we're looking for shorts for Euro Canadian dollar. And the other trade idea is Euro pound. So we're seeing, and we're looking to sell this as well. So we're looking at a bit of Euro weakness, guys. Need to start with the weekly chart with this one because the weekly chart is beautiful. It's more beautiful than Gal Gadot in her Wonder Woman outfit. Okay, so we are clearly in a downward structure, lower lows, lower highs. Yeah, clear as day. And look at that bearish weekly candle. That is more bearish than Winnie the Pooh. Jimmy Noodles, that was your saying. So yeah, there we go, guys. That's the situation we're in on the weekly chart. And on the daily, you know, sellers are still forcing this down. We had a bit of buying pressure, but buyers just took it back to an area of resistance. And then sellers were like, thank you very much. Yeah, we'll take it over from here. So this is the situation we're in. We don't have, you know, normally my target is the last daily lows, but obviously there's no room there. So we can take it back down to those weekly lows and this level here. If we drop down to the H4 now, you know, I'm going to do a video on this on the VIP Discord in the Trading Academy, but this is like the point of exhaustion with Euro pound. Okay, so price has come down, yeah, and you know it's still. I mean, was this in an uptrend at this point? And the answer is no, because it didn't break this, but then it just become a ranging H4 market until yesterday, where this candle broke all of these lows. Okay, so you know we've got H4 downtrend now as well. Daily's in a downtrend. Yeah, there's lots of things to like. If we drop down to the H1, you can see these levels more clearly. So you know, if price retraces to here, this is a level, but that hasn't retraced enough for me. Yeah, I'm going to look for a retrace potentially back up to the moving average 20, potentially, or even back up to here. Yeah, somewhere in here, I'll look for a bearish candle and then I'll start selling from one of these levels, even a M15 structure break to support the idea as well. All right, so Euro pound, we're looking to sell as well. There is one more trade idea that I'm looking at. So, yeah, before I show you that, guys, let me just mention a couple of promotions we've got running at the moment. So if you're a trader and you're looking for funding, okay, you're looking for extra capital, then we have a great opportunity with DarwinX, which is an investment company, invests in traders. And we have got 40% off. Yeah, at the moment with DarwinX. Check the link in our video description. And also, guys, we've got a 22.5% off with my flash funding prop firm. Any challenge you take, if you use the code SIMPLY, you will get 22.5% off any challenge. So if you're interested in that, guys, check it out. It's on our channel in our video description. The last one was Euro Aussie dollar. This is not a trade idea because, let me explain, because the day chart is in an uptrend. Once it broke these highs, we're in an uptrend. Okay, so that's why it's difficult for me to take this, and I prefer Euro Canadian dollar, Euro pound. But this is a weekly level, and we had a really nice reaction here. Okay, so if you go to the weekly chart, yeah, look at that level through there. Bang, nice level, nice reaction thus far. All right, so yeah, I'm keeping an eye on Euro Aussie dollar, but it's important to mention that it is, let's draw that line again. Sorry, guys, I had vodka on my Weetabix. It's still a daily uptrend. So I prefer Euro Canadian dollar, Euro pound. Right, guys, those are the trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 12th of January. So overnight, we had some important CPI and PPI coming out of China and a bit of a mixed bag there, really. But the news we're interested in, guys, first of all, is this. All these times are London GMT. So 7 o'clock coming out of the UK, we've got the GDP figures of the UK. So, yeah, this could move any pound pair, guys. Must be aware of that. And then after that, guys, the only other piece of news that we're interested in is this. At 1:30, coming out of the US, we got PPI. And this is like inflation for business, all right? And inflation is obviously still a big data point at the moment. And then after that, guys, no other news we're interested in unless you trade oil. These Baker Hughes oil rig counts can be important for oil traders. I know an oil trader, and he always prattles on about these. So there you go, guys. That's the news for today. And if you've enjoyed the vid, guys, please come and join us. So subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. I hope you have a great trading day and a great weekend, and I'll see you soon.